Chapter 4, Completing the Accounting Cycle. In Chapter 4, what we're going to talk about is completing the accounting cycle. And the accounting cycle is the process by which most companies produce their financial statements. What a lot of accountants do is they use a worksheet, as we talked about at the end of Chapter 3, to summarize the needed data in one spot. Okay? So the accounting cycle consists of journalizing your transactions, posting them to the ledger accounts on a periodic basis. Next, right in here, this intermediate step before the adjusting entries, comes the preparation of a trial balance. Remember, we said that the trial balance is a tool to make sure that we're in balance prior to doing the adjusting entries. Once the adjusting entries have been journalized and posted to the ledger, we next prepare the adjusted trial balance. If we're in balance after the adjusted trial balance is complete, we prepare financial statements, and we'll talk about that in the next objective. We'll prepare the financial statements from the worksheet. Okay? And after the financial statements have been prepared, what we do is we close the account. This is a later objective in Chapter 4. And lastly, after the accounts are closed, we prepare a post-closing trial balance. So, the accounting cycle for Mr. Cunningham looks like this. Okay? Let's make it big. Okay? The accounting cycle. And this is for any business whether it's someone running a business out of their home by selling stuff on eBay, or it's the same process for a multinational company like Walmart or Exxon. So number one, what do we want to do? We want to journalize. Journalize what? Journalize transactions. Number 2, we periodically post transactions to the ledger accounts. Okay, step number 3 in the accounting cycle is to prepare a trial balance. Step number 4 would be to journalize and post adjusting entries. Number 5 would be to prepare an adjusted trial balance. Step 6 is to prepare the financial statements. Pop quiz. What are the financial statements? A, the income statement. B, the statement of owner's equity. C, the balance sheet. Okay, this isn't a multiple choice quiz because the correct answer would be D, all of the above. Okay, after the financial statements are prepared, we come to step number 7. We're going to journalize and post yet again, and this would be to journalize and post the closing entries. And lastly, would be step number 8, and that is to prepare the third trial balance, yet this time it is not an adjusting trial balance, it's a post-closing trial balance. So the accounting cycle really consists of 8 steps. The accounting cycle for a small business would be exactly the same as a very large business. So that's what it looks like. Okay?